That was insane, y'all. Oh! Oh! No way it took that, y'all. I can't believe it. Looks like I popped my skid plate out a little bit. My screws backed out, but hit right here, y'all. That's insane. Look at that. Traxxas is tough, baby. I can't believe it. Wow, y'all, it looks like we broke the chassis on that corner hit. That's insane. Cracked it here too. That was a very hard hit. But if that's all it broke, I'm not complaining. This thing is a beast. Way to go, Traxxas. Man, this car is unreal. Even with the cracked chassis from the skate park, it takes that hit. I don't know any other truck that's even worthy to be in this league with the Maxx. If this is the stock Traxxas Maxx, it's got to be my favorite truck. I mean, it's right up there with the X Max and XRT. This thing is insane, y'all.